Here's a question. What happens to other DEX projects on Ethereum, also other chains solving the gas problem, if Uniswap comes in with optimism and lowers gas fees, rumored to be over 100x? So basically what happens if Uniswap lowers gas fees and is fast? I think most of the other DEX projects are done. I think because Uniswap is, well, I would say Uniswap and SushiSwap right now are really the main players, right? So if we go back here to DeFi Pulse, right, over $8 billion is locked up between those two. Then if we add Curve, that's over 12 billion. So I think all these other platforms like Binance Smart Chain with PancakeSwap, yes, it's fun, but I think everybody knows Uniswap and SushiSwap, and in general, Ethereum is where it's at. And I think once Ethereum scales, with whether it's with optimistic rollups or whatever, I think people will just gravitate back to Ethereum. Forrester, Bill, what do you guys think?
Yeah, I think it goes back to kind of my point about owning 1inch. I mean, do you really want to play the game right now where all of these AMM dexes are extremely competitive with each other, and there's potential for Uniswap to absolutely take off, and there's also a scenario where SushiSwap comes from behind and beats Uniswap, and there's it's very crowded. Do you really want to play the game of betting on which one's going to win and go all in on one, or do you want to invest in 1inch where it's just going to route the trade to the winning dex of that specific trade? So I think that's just yet another reason to be owning 1inch, and then maybe have a portfolio of different AMMs to hedge your risk if Uniswap does become the winner and beats out Balancer and SushiSwap, or vice versa.
All right, thank you, Forrest.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.